Hi everyone, welcome to the Learning Skills MS Word tutorial. In this video, you will learn about the Home tab, what it is, and how to use it. The Home tab in Microsoft Word is one of the most frequently used tabs, as it contains essential tools for formatting and editing documents. It is divided into several groups, each with specific functions. The Home tab in MS Word contains 5 main groups. 1. Clipboard Group includes Cut, Copy, Paste, and Format Painter, allowing users to move and duplicate text efficiently. 2. Font Group offers text formatting options like bold, italics, underline, font size, color, change case, and text effects. 3. Paragraph Group controls text alignment, bullets, numbering, line spacing, indentation, shading, and borders for better document structure. 4. Styles Group provides predefined styles, like as headings, titles, to ensure consistency. 5. Editing Group contains find, replace, and select tools for locating and modifying text easily. Let's start the practical. Clipboard Group. How to use Format Painter. Select the text, click the Format Painter, a paintbrush icon. Your cursor changes to a paintbrush icon. Click and drag over the text where you want to apply the formatting. Shortcut for Format Painter. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus C, copies formatting. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus V, applies formatting. How to copy the text. Use shortcut key, press Ctrl plus C. Also click the Copy button to copy the text as well as using right-click menu. Right-click and select Copy. How to cut the text. To cut text, remove it from one place and move it to another. Use shortcut key, select the text you want to cut, press Ctrl plus X. Instead, click the Cut button in the Clipboard group. You can also use right-click menu. Right-click on the selected text and select Cut. How to paste the copied text. Move the cursor to where you want to paste the text. Use shortcut key, press Ctrl plus V. You can also right-click where you want to paste the text. Select Paste from the menu. Instead, click the Paste button in the Clipboard group, if you want to paste without formatting. Click on the Paste drop-down in the Home tab. Select Paste Special. Choose Unformatted Text to remove formatting. Lets you customize how Word handles pasting by using the Set Default Paste option. Click on the Paste drop-down and select Set Default Paste. You can explore more settings and options for your document text, such as General, Display, Proofing, Save, Customize Ribbon, Quick Access, and Toolbar. You can also read about Add Ink and Trust Center. How to open the Clipboard Group sidebar or task pane. One of its useful features is the Clipboard sidebar, which allows you to view and manage multiple copied items at once. Click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the Clipboard group. The Clipboard task pane will open on the left side of your screen.